Hello. Hi. I am Naresh Makwana from India. I am computer operator. My monthly income is very low. So I need some extra money in internet. They provide data entry home job. But I was held, I was worried. Then suddenly I got shortcut to cash company. I seen of all of job package in this company, like home typing job, form filling job, email list completer job, research email typist job, research assistant job. Then I complete all research about company review, company reputation, many more. I am so impressed, and then I select form filling job package. It is very easy job to me, no any scam, no any grabber. Company provide very good service. I like this company and I recommended to please join this company. Shortcut to cash is a 100% genuine company. All jobs are very easy. And last, thanks to Shortcut to Cash company for changing my life. I am proud to be a part of this company and I suggest to join the real company. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.